In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix error 403 on Google Chrome. Encountering a 403 error can be frustrating, especially when you're eager to access a web page. But don't worry, we've got some straightforward solutions you can try to troubleshoot this issue. Let's dive in and explore some easy fixes. To start off, let's look at a few simple actions that might resolve your problem quickly. First, try refreshing the page. It might seem overly simplistic, but sometimes a quick refresh can fix temporary glitches that are causing the 403 error. If that doesn't work, the next step is to check the URL for accuracy. Double-check to make sure there are no typos or missing characters in the web address. A small error in the link can sometimes result in big headaches. If refreshing and checking the URL haven't worked, open a new incognito window in Chrome. By doing this, you can see if the issue stems from an extension or cached files. Incognito mode doesn't use your existing cookies and cache, which can help you determine if these elements are the cause of your troubles. Updating Chrome is another crucial step. Ensure that you have the latest version of the browser installed because outdated software can sometimes lead to incompatibility issues that result in error messages. Most of the time, Chrome will automatically update, but there are instances where you'll need to trigger the update manually. If the problem persists after these quick checks, it's time to clear your browsing data. Start by clicking the three-dot menu located at the top right corner of your Chrome browser. From there, you'll want to head into Settings. Once in the Settings menu, navigate to Privacy and Security and select Clear Browsing Data. In the options that appear, set the time range to cover all time. This ensures you remove any data that might be interfering with your browsing experience. Now, it's important to choose what specifics you want to clear. In this case, you'll want to select cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. These elements are often the culprits when it comes to loading issues with certain websites. Once you've made your selections, go ahead and click Clear Data. This action will remove stored information that might be causing the 403 error. Hopefully, these steps have resolved the issue, and you can now access the web page without encountering the error message. If these actions haven't worked, you might be dealing with access restrictions set by the website or other server-side issues that are outside your control. In such cases, reaching out to the website's support team could provide further assistance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tech tutorials.